Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on a custom domain. So if you've recently just acquired a new domain and you would love to install WordPress, don't worry no more because in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can do that. So for the sake of this video, I use Namecheap for my to buy my domains and to do my to host all my domains. So all I need to do to install WordPress on your new recently acquired domain, all you simply need to do is to head on to the hosting list here. It takes you directly to your cPanel. So now, as you can see, I've clicked on the hosting list here. So it's going to go at the right hand side. You can see go to cPanel. So all you need to do is to go to your cPanel. So hold on, why it leads us to the cPanel. So as you can see here, we have a set of tools here that you can actually use to make your work seamless for you without much hassle. So to install a new WordPress, all we simply need to do, as you can see, Spectacular's apps installer here. We have exclusive for Namecheap customers, website builder, auto backup, Namecheap SSL, jellyfish spam protection. So I don't want to actually go scroll down, but yeah, but you can see there are a lot of things here. Just a moment, I don't know why it's redirected, but let's go back to get. So I think I mistakenly clicked something. Yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of things here for you to actually to make the whole thing easy or easier for you. So to install WordPress on a newly acquired domain, all you need to do here is to click on WordPress. Here we have Joomla, we have Abnet, Cart, we have PHP BB. So to install a new domain, as you can see here, we have install now. We have install overview, features, screenshot, demo, ratings, reviews, and import. So to install, all we need to do is to click on install now. So here we have a custom domain here. This is the domain that's actually uh, that I bought with the hosting. So to install, all we need to do is to scroll down to the recently acquired domain where we're going to install it. So we're just going to look for our domain here that we want to install WordPress on. Oh, the domain is not actually here. So we're just going to add the domain quickly to find it here because it's not amongst the domain that we've actually installed WordPress. So we're just going to go back here, cPanel here, just a moment, and we're going to add up the domain. Let's click on software clause here. So we're going to add a new domain, no software clause, just a moment, cPanel here. We're going to add the domain. So we'll scroll down to the list of domains. Now here's the domain. So we're just going to add up the new domain that we've just recently acquired. So now we're going to create, at the right hand side here, you can see create a new domain. So we're going to enter the domain here. So this is the domain. So we're going to submit the domain. It can take a moment to create a new domain. This occurs on account with a large number of domains. So we're just going to hold on a few seconds for the domain to be registered here or added rather. So we're going to hold on. It, so as you can see, you have successfully created a new domain, tooshorttoday.com, domain with the document root of home, blah, blah, blah. So attention, your website will be offline until your domain is pointed to hosting name servers DNS1, namecheaphosting.com, and DNS2. So as you can see, I think I'll just have to copy. Let me copy this down somewhere. where we can actually use if there'll be need. But let's go back and okay, not here, Notepad. We're going to paste it here. We can close this. So now that our domain has been added, let's go to Subtitles app installer to install WordPress on a newly acquired domain. So now we're just going to scroll down here and select the domain. As you can see, the domain is here now. So we're going to install WordPress on it. You can actually write the name of your site here. You can repeat. You can actually change this at any time. So for now, so I'm going to input our password. So the email is a custom domain. So you're just going to install things you may likely need. You can use the Speedy Catch for now. So these are some of the default plugins you would like to. So the email, we're just going to add this. And now all we need to do is to confirm if everything is. As you can see, our passport is strong. Make sure you have up to 80% and above when you. So we're just going to install WordPress now. So hold on a few seconds to see if our WordPress has been installed. It's installing. We have checking the submitted data. We have 15 to 60% already. So it's 19%. So that is it. Congratulations. The software was installed successfully. WordPress has been successfully installed at today.com. So that is it on how to install WordPress on your newly acquired domain. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.